my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
I have got you not one but two music video reactions as always because I want you to feel double the joy. The one that I've chosen for you is Tere Ishq Mein song. This is trending on number 19th on music trending charts. So yeah, you lucky people, right? This one is starring Dhanush and Kriti Sanon. And let me just check. A film by Anand L. Rai. Okay. Song composed, produced, and arranged by the legend A.R. Rahman. Vocals Arjit Singh. Lyrics are the great lyricist Irshad Kamil. Okay. We got all of them covered, so we can get it started. Okay. Captions, I've turned it on just in case. So let's go. Is there alcohol? It is. He brought his own alcohol.
हाँ म्यूजिक बंद हो गया है बस चलो पीछे चलो
पीछे चलो, पीछे चलो. It's romantic.
तुम अच्छे लड़के हो अबीर, मैं भी अच्छा हूँ, पर तुम शुरू से अच्छे होगे, मैं नया नया बना हूँ. ये साथ थी तो याद रहता था कि अच्छा हूँ, वरना भूल जाता हूँ.
Oh, serious look.
अच्छा बुरा बुरा अच्छा, बहुत प्रेशर है मेरे पे.
Vocals.
वो प्रेशर वापस करने आया हूँ बस.
Return it to you. From the direction of Ranjana. Of course, the direction is good. Nothing less to expect from A.R. Rahman. Singer, come on. Yes. Kriti Sanon is so pretty, guys. Somebody else. Is she an alcoholic? Feels like it. Did she spit blood? Nice, nice. Arrangement. Okay. Kriti Sanon in this one looked terrible with a lot of, intake of alcohol, cigarettes, nicotine, all of it. She did not look very healthy either. Puking and all that. Him reminding her that let me give you back some pain that you gave me, right? All right. Tere Ishq Mein ho gaya fana. Literally, I got distracted in love. And the way it was arranged, the whole music scenario which was arranged by A.R. Rahman sir, fabulous, fabulous. And Arjit Singh literally put soul into this music. There's nothing more to say. I loved it. Let's check out some of the comments and then end this one. Dhanush plus A.R. Rahman plus Arjit Singh nailed it. Wow. Dhanush literally had the pain in his eyes. You could see the anger and the emotion. The Arjit Singh too, all together. Oh God. 117. That look killed it. Dhanush sir. What an acting level and voice of Arjit, total goosebumps. Because I told you, like, he had anger in his eyes. Dhanush sir plus Kriti Sanon's acting plus Ajit Singh's voice plus A.R. Rahman's music equals total goosebumps. It's the same thing that everybody's saying. What an intensity in Dhanush's face, fire emoji. What a legendary actor. Hats off to the director. Two directors, actor always comes out the best on screen, and they both. Dhanush as an actor was always good, but this one is actually fire, right? Ajit Singh humming is so nice. Yeah, it did. It does stick with you too. Dhanush does not know he has a huge fan following here in North India. This movie gonna roar in the theaters, and I hope it does. It does, because he is roaring in the screen, as you can see. He's very angry with her. And this is the highest jump by Kriti Sanon. Beyond of Sky and Dhanush, no words for him, absolutely fire. Kriti Sanon has done a lot of good movies. One of the movies that still sticks to my mind was Mimi, that I watched, which was really good. The rest of the movies, I don't remember, but Mimi was the one that I actually recall. It was a nice film. And Dhanush, no words for me, absolutely, yeah. Dhanush always good. Dhanush acting is something out of this world. Out of this world. He is out of this world. In terms of acting, like, great acting. Dhanush acting, damn, huge fan from Maharashtra. Everybody's loving him, and A.R. Rahman and Arjit Singh, everybody in this film are legendary. I hope you enjoyed this one, so we can go to the next one, right? Urum Blood Dude from the Dude movie. Pradeep Ranganathan is the actor for sure, written and directed by Kirti Swaran. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Mamita is the actress. Music composed, sung and produced by Sai Abhyankar. Lyrics by Pal Dabba. Male vocals is Abhyankar, yeah. Rap by Pal Dabba. Okay, cool. Let's check this one out. Caps, I'll turn it on just in case, but it works, doesn't work, again, up to them, right? I hope they all add the caps, because not everybody understands. Let's go. Pradeep, the dude. Are they showing how they made the movie too? We're getting the BTS. Mamita. Call me Sala.
அலையே அலையே காட்டுல மழையே அலலே அலடு செதற பதற உடுவன ஒதற அலலே அலடு கொண்டு அச்சாடி நீ எத்தனையோ வத்தகளா பார்க்க அத்தனையும் ஒத்துனுதான் ஆக்க சின்னவா யாரும் இல்ல செஞ்சு வச்சு just another person நீ பார்த்தா எச்சவலா ஹிஸ்டரியா கேட்டா
The rain dance. But they just sweated. I don't know. Ravana. Let's go, cricket. They look like they're having a lot of fun together. That's the rain dance. Star, Ravan, star. Female vocals was by who? I didn't read it. It's Sleep. man coming in like that. Ooh. The violin, man. Beautiful. Ravana. Slowly start grooving. He's goofy. That's a cute umbrella. Ravana. He's gonna hurt right with the turn. Awesome, awesome. This one is also trending in top 6 music video. You know why? The music is very soothing. The violence in it was really nice. It had both the phases, going fast with the rap and then slow with the music. The vocals, everything was really nice. The dude was literally like, I am the hero, I am the Ravan, I am everything, right? Let's check out the comments. First, Pudikala, but now got so addicted, at least 20x looping like poitirukku. Same feelings. Even at the beginning, I was not that vibing, but when I heard it 1 to 2 times, I slowly get engrossed into it. Totally get what you're saying. Everywhere, Pradeep Ranganathan generating fire. Bro is fire. He's the dude in the neighborhood. Okay. Anybody today is Sunday? No, I'm at Monday, bro. You're watching it at Monday. This song is totally Appo Puriyala, but Ippo Puriyadu on loop. So everybody is like, that time it was not that hard hitting, but now after hearing it like once or twice, then you naturally vibe to it. Mamita is such a vibe, and the dance is so spot on. They both have great chemistry. They look like good friends more than lovers, but yeah, the love angle is always there in movies. Right? Anybody? Today is Sunday, okay. Pradeep creating his own style. Do you want the hero style or the Ravana style? He's got it both. Could not understand it first, then listened with headphones and started liking it after knowing lyrics. Now addicted. Okay, the lyrics is something not I understood fully, but I understand Tamil, so it was good. It was good. First time okay, second time super, third time very super, fourth time vibing, fifth time addicted. From 6 continuously watching the same song. That's his journey. That's a good journey too. Mamita's dance is the highlight of the song. She danced really well. Both of them good dancers. All of them in the background too. We have to give them the cheers. I actually find this refreshing. Also the layers. If anything, it was dances for me. The energy and vibe. Each one of them, they all danced their ass off. Maybe I did not mention that much because I was listening to the music and the vibe. Right, the vibe was good. I was thinking, was it raining? Because it felt like they were drenched, but then I couldn't see much rain. But there was like slightly, it was drizzling. Song peaked here. I just love the Pal Dappa portion. His track gives a take off in the song for a moment. The rap, right? Yeah. I think that's when it took off, the Ravana part and all that. Yeah. That is what I actually sang twice from the music. So I enjoyed it, guys. If you did, don't forget to like and share both of the songs and leave a lot of good comments. Hype it up. Hype this video and let me know what you want to watch next. I will see you in a couple of days. Until then, goodbye. Also, let me know if there's anything new that comes up, like new trailers, teasers. You have to, then only I can get to it earlier. Then later, don't say I'm late. I'm always late, but you have to tell me first. Then I'll get to it. Cool. So bye bye.
No filter, I got no filter.